Jesus. This is gonna come out horrible. There's no, like, the quality is not gonna be, look at this, it's flaking all over. This is the film failing that's on there. I hope it comes off in one piece. Oh my God, no way. What's up, guys? It's Sean from Tinting Warriors, and here with a short but sweet day in the life. We're gonna be doing 2 Dodge Rams back to back. We got this one getting the 2 front doors done. So let's bang this out quick. We're gonna pop the panel, pull the gasket out, install the film, and obviously that's what we're doing, window tinting. And then we'll get this out, we'll go on to the next one, and we'll share some exciting news throughout the video. We actually just finished a hands-on class. We had 4 students in here, and it was a smaller class than usual. Felt like it was more personal. Every student I got to like really hang out with. Not that when we get to 10 people in each class, everyone doesn't get undivided attention, but it was just different. It felt very different. I felt like I was hanging out with a bunch of friends. It was a different atmosphere. We're probably not gonna be doing another one for a little while. I got a lot of things coming up in personal life that really aren't allowing me to schedule any classes because we're so busy here, and things that I'm doing at home. It's a crazy year, 2024. It's gonna be even better January 1st, 2025, if you know what I mean. Thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain. It's a beautiful but cold day, yay, 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 yay. 42, not bad, 42 degrees outside. I'm actually potentially hiring a trainee window tinter starting on Monday. It's Saturday right now. It's a little overwhelming, but in the end, it'll be a great benefit to the company and the growth of the company. We'll see where it goes. Let's see if he can survive the Shine Tech standards here at Window Tint Warriors. It's hard. That's why we have the most 5-star reviews for this style of business in the entire East Coast, Upper East Coast. Can't believe that bird shit all over my car yesterday. Bird had to shit, it shit. All prepped up, nothing stuck to the window. Use a razor blade just in case there's adhesive on the window or whatever may be stuck to the glass. We got about 10 minutes to get this car out of here to stay within our time frame, so I'm gonna hustle real quick. Always squirt on the floor. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and subscribe here on YouTube to support the channel. Today is the 16th for us. We're coming up on the drawing for the $500 winner. You're probably gonna see this video after that because we need some time to edit this video before we post it, so keep an eye out for that if you wanna watch it. Spray squeegee spray. You should get a Dodge Ram, Ernesto. I could see you driving a Dodge Ram. Front corner first. No contamination. Bring it forward. Now bring it back now, y'all. Perfect. Look at that. So nice. Down the sides. Grab the heat gun. Six minutes to complete this. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chilling with my window tints, cause that's all the friends that I have. And them tires are bald as fuck. Look at those tires. Very nice. I got an email from this other software creator, and they're like, oh, everyone's switching to this. I don't even know what I don't remember what it's called. And I was like, why would anyone that's using TINTWIZ switch to anything else, especially something that's starting off to be developed? I would never. You know, a lot of people that watch my channel think that I made TINTWIZ. They're like, oh, your software TINTWIZ. No, I just use it, and I love it, and I share it. right, we're done with this one. Slap this gasket back in, we'll get that customer checked in, and we'll be right back after this commercial.
Yo, Sean, what are you up to?
What's up, man? I'm just over here on TINTWIZ setting up. I got a bunch of leads right here. Look at this. I got all these leads. I'm about to make hella bread, bro. Stacks, more gold. We about to be in here. I got all these cars. This shit is all mine. I'm about to set up hella appointments, make hella bread. Me and my friend, his name is Fred. We about to be rolling in that shit. Get yourself TINTWIZ. What's up, yo? Oh my God, man. Look at the Doughboy. On today's episode of That's Fucked Up, this box is fucked up. All right, our next truck is this brand new Dodge Ram. We're gonna be stripping the two fronts and retinting them with 5%, doing a windshield strip over the top of all of the dirt, and then we're gonna be adding a layer of tint over the destroyed existing tint back window. We're gonna do our best to make this job come out as clean as possible. The tint edges will look a lot nicer for sure. So to take these gaskets out on these trucks, very simple. Take the screw out of the top. It's out already for our convenience. The customer removed it for us. Oh my God, look at all the dirt. Window Tint Warriors Dirty Job Edition. Let's remove this old tints. Ooh, got the freshies on the floor. Look at that. Ow. Let me stop before he watches this video. And the cowboy boots? No way. What? I'm discombobulated, but look at the exhaust tip. Jason, look at that thing.
I don't know what this is, but Jay says it's a f***ing big sea turtle. Oh, look, it's a baby wheel. It's a baby f***ing wheel, man. Holy shit, we are witnessing a baby f***ing wheel right here, dude. Holy shit, look at this f***ing thing. Oh my God, what the f*** is that, bro? Jay, what the f*** is that? We gotta call the aquarium or something, dude.
You should go TikTok live. You should do TikTok live on your phone while you're doing this. I'm gonna pre-cut this because I know the patterns are good for this one. Whoa, this is way bigger than this window is. Who did this to me? Spray squeegee spray. This thing is premium right here.
There's sand in there. We do it.
There is sand in it. Gotta get that gap tight. You're not invited to my wedding. I could watch that video for days, nonstop.
A joke, but you wanted to get it and get that cash grab.
Who the fuck's gonna pay me to be on OnlyFans?
A lot of people. Do you watch?
You know you do that.
Wait, what?
When you end a sentence, you go,
I literally have no idea what you're talking about.
You go, a lot of people,
I definitely do. I find you offensive, so you're not invited to my wedding. I'll remember not to come next week then.
Spray squeegee spray. Pretty good for a pre-cut on 01, let me tell you. Oh. Coffee! TINTWIZ juice. I need one of these. So I'm not gonna scrape the inside of this window because there's tint on it now. Not factory tint, it's aftermarket. There's ghosting from some previous stickers up there. And there's a lot of impacts in the glass that are actually damage to the glass. So there's no reason for us to remove it. He didn't want us to remove it. So we're gonna scrub it up really nice, clean it as best as possible, layer a layer of 5% over that. Yeah, sir. It's actually sticker residue. I hope he doesn't think that we're gonna get that off. Well, our quality standards are higher than just letting that go. We'll get it off for him. Oh my God, what is that? What is that?
What is that?
What is that? So it appears that we have some kind of adhesive on this. You see it appearing when I got it wet? So we're gonna use our adhesive remover. Hold your nose, guys. It smells a little funky. There we go. That'll come right off. There must have been like another layer of tint on this or something that he had just peeled off. But we can get it off without damaging that other layer of film with the Super Stripper adhesive remover. Oh my God, what is this? This is gonna come out horrible. There's no, like, the quality is not gonna be, look at this, it's flaking all over. This is the film failing that's on there. I hope it comes off in one piece. Oh my God, no way. No way. I'm covered in this shit. This is craziness, man. Ow. Jesus. That's the film failing. We can't just hide all the secrets. You guys get to see a little trick of the trade today. We'll get the steam flowing. We'll get that piece off. Hopefully in one piece. Covered in tint flakes. And it's not a cereal. And let's figure out this windshield in the meantime. This is unpleasant. I'm unhappy. Not a happy camper right now. But we do what we gotta do to make people happy. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a pre-cut and then I'll cut this out after installing it. You guys are seeing me struggle today. All right, let's see what they got for the windshield strip patterns. Nice, nothing good. Huh. That's great. Let's see how these patterns look. Gotta hand cut it. Everything's not going as planned. Let's see what we got. So using the steam, we'll keep the tint together, thankfully, for the most part. I'm gonna try to wrap it around all the way to the passenger side. It's even leaving the glue off, taking the glue off. I was not expecting that. Smells like Carlos. Oh, Mr. Karma. Smells like the Texas Tint Master over here. Frankenstein. Whoa, this is way bigger than this window is. Oh my God, what is going on today? Perfection. All right, hand cut a windshield strip, 1/4 inch wide vinyl tape. Get this windshield cut out. The final countdown. I feel like I'm playing origami with my body when I do these things. That in place. Lay it flat across the top. Slide it underneath here. No gaps. No gaps. No gaps. No gap December. All right, guys, we made it. We made it. All right, truck's done. Customer's rung up. He actually came in. That's why there was a slight jump or pause there. I'm gonna slap my jacket on because it's 45 degrees out. I'm not trying to get any sicker. That's gonna be it for this day in the life. Hope you guys enjoyed my struggle on this beautiful truck, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Blah, 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 blah.